Tong. I'm from KGV Seremban. Today I will be showing you an experiment called homemade mini lava lamp. First we should need food coloring, cooking oil, water, fizzy tablet, and a cup. First step is adding water into the glass cup. And then add cooking oil into a glass cup. Add food coloring into the cup. And then add a fizzy tablet into the cup. Then you have a homemade mini lava lamp made. Is based on the reaction of the fizzy tablet with different densities of liquid. The reaction of fizzy tablets with water will cause bubbles and it interrupts the density level of the liquids. Then it will finally sink at the bottom layer, which is water. I hope you enjoyed the experiment. Bye.